In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best flight deals with Google Flights. Start by opening Google Flights in your browser. You'll land on a clean dashboard that puts all the essentials in one place: trip type, passengers, cabin class, and the fields for where you're flying from, where you're going, and your travel dates. Think of this dashboard as your control center. It's where you set the foundation for a great deal. Begin by choosing the type of trip you need, either return or one way. Pick return if you'll be coming back to your origin city on a specific date, or one way if you're only heading out. Next, set the number of passengers. This ensures the prices and availability you see match your group. Then choose your cabin class, such as economy, premium economy, business, or first. Keep in mind that higher cabin classes offer more comfort but can increase the fare significantly, so match this to your priorities. Now enter your trip details. Fill in your departure city and your destination. As you type, Google Flights will suggest airports. Select the one that makes the most sense for you. If your city has multiple airports, consider which is easiest to reach or often cheaper. Then add your travel dates. Click into the calendar to pick your departure and, if you selected a return trip, your return date. The calendar often highlights lower fares on certain days, so if you're flexible, shifting by a day or two can unlock a better price. Once everything looks right, click search. You'll be taken to the results page. Here, switch the sort option to best. This setting balances price with important factors like total travel time, number of stops, and layover quality, helping you avoid a rock bottom fare that comes with a marathon itinerary. After selecting best, the top recommendations will appear first, making it easier to spot high-value options quickly. When you see an itinerary you like, open it to review the details. Check the departure and arrival times, layover locations and durations, and the total travel time. Also look for notes on what's included. Some fares don't cover checked bags, so factor that into your budget. On the selected flights page, you'll see booking options from different sites and the airline itself. This is where you compare prices and policies side by side. Choose the provider that gives you the best combination of price, flexibility, and trust. When you're satisfied, proceed to book on the site you prefer and review all details before confirming. That's it, your path to the best flight deals with confidence.